everybody, Eileen here with Wizard Labs. Once again, I know it's been a while, but I hope everyone's been doing good during this pandemic time we are all going through. It's pretty crazy. So I hope everyone out there is staying safe, and I'm back with 4 new drinks for you guys. So the first one is called a Tiramisu Martini, and it requires 2 of our flavors. It's vanilla bean ice cream with by Capella, and then we have Sugar Daddy cinnamon sweetener. So it's only 2 drops of each. You can go a little more if you'd like, but here we go. We're gonna start the drink. We're gonna fill up our ice shaker with ice, and we're gonna go 1 shot of each of these liquors, 1 shot of vodka and 1 shot of rum chata. So here we go. It's a 4 count, 2, 3, 4. And a 4 count of rum chata. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're gonna do a shot of espresso. If you don't have an espresso machine at home, make some really, really strong coffee. That works also. So we want 1 shot of espresso. And then our flavors, of course, 2 drops of Sugar Daddy cinnamon sweetener, and then 2 drops of Capella vanilla ice cream. There we go. And then we're gonna wanna swirl our martini glass with some caramel sauce. Yum. Here we go. And I should have had this upside down. There we go. Come on, caramel. Here we go. Now we're talking. Makes it look pretty, doesn't it? Okay, now we're going to shake up our drink. Okay, and then you pour it into your martini glass. There you go. And that looks really pretty, doesn't it? And you top it off with a little bit of whipped cream. There you go. And a little cinnamon to give it a tiramisu flavor. And there you have it, the Tiramisu Martini. Cheers. Hey guys, if you like this drink, click below for the next one, lime sherbet margarita. Hey guys, Eileen with let's start over again.